It's starting to get really cold here in New York. Today is like 40 degrees and it's just going to get cooler and cooler by the day. It looks like there's going to be snow in the forecast sometime next week and as low as like 25 degrees. So it's going to be tougher and tougher to work outside, especially if I need to make some wood cuts and stuff. But today I am going to work on finishing up the flooring and trim work. I mean, this is where we're at right now. We got the light switch installed and the kitchen light over here. Look how awesome that looks. And right now it's really all down to like the details and just making the van look really nice. It's so cold, I gotta close the door. So I'm gonna do the trim. I got the quarter round, put some silicone here so that we can waterproof the entire floor, because water is eventually gonna get on the floor. It's not if it's gonna get wet, it's when it's going to get wet, because there's always going to be spills. It's inevitable. So we're going to put some of the silicone is waterproofing around the entire perimeter of the flooring, all around. And then we're going to put the quarter round on top of that. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. And if I have time, then I'm going to do some other trim work, cut some wood here at the trim, and just kind of make it look really nice. Today is day 132 of our DIY Sprinter van build. We're very, very close to the end. Let's get going. Sealant prepped, and we'll start applying this all around. Okay, I think we're good to go. I think there's a piece of old silicone stuck in here. It's not really giving me a good flow, so let me just try to clear this out. It's going to be really tough to work when this is so hard to squeeze. A little bit better now. Let's keep going. I got to make sure this front area is extra waterproof, because this is the shower area. Now that the silicone is in, let's start cutting the quarter round and start installing those around the floors. This is the quarter round piece. I just measured the first length that I need to cut, 8.5, and then I'll start just going around and just nailing these guys down. So we need 8.5. This first piece is gonna go right over here. I did a 45-degree angle cut on this end here. We connect this piece to right here. You guys here to join me in the back? Yeah, you guys gonna sleep down here? You gonna nap here?
I'm gonna nap here.
Okay, you can nap here. Maybe. We got the projector here. Archie's down here. Is it nice and warm? In the back? Okay. Dada's working. Dada's doing the photo room.
What that?
What's what?
What that?
That's the wall. You can touch it.
Rough, huh? Very rough.
What that? Bobby.
This one right here?
Uh-huh.
That's a silicone.
Oh, what that? Up there.
What's that? A blanket?
Uh-huh.
Your blanket?
What that?
What's that? Lights.
Oh. What that? Daddy.
Mama's shoe.
Oh. What that?
That's a stack.
Daddy.
There's a stepper.
What that?
My gloves.
Oh, that stuff.
That's a glove, yeah.
Boo. Boo.
Blue glove and gray.
What that?
That's a thermostat.
Oh.
You're learning everything right now? That's your brother. You guys want to hang out over here? Okay.
I want to hang out with Dada. Yeah.
That's nice.
What that?
That's a remote with a projector too.
Move it down.
Move down the bed. We're gonna
I'm
stay
staying
down here.
here.
Mama's down here.
Like that.
That's the wall.
Like that.
Your book.
Like that.
Baby wipe.
Like that.
That's the rail. That's
Like
the
that.
linear actuator. You just
Like
want to
that.
learn everything, huh?
This. Like that. This.
That's trees.
That one.
There's a it's part of the wood. It's wood. What's that? Pillow. Okay, you guys can hang out here. I'm gonna keep working. Bye bye. See you later, alligator. You- Are you nice and warm?
Ordered a package.
Wow! Aren't there pyramids in Egypt?
Sure thing. There are famous ones in Giza.
Mama and Archie went back upstairs. Spencer, you and I, we're gonna take a nap down here, okay? So Mama and Archie can get some rest, especially Mama. She needs some sleep. All right, we're gonna hang out, okay? All right, you gotta take a nap. Got it bright. Let's go back inside. Let's go back inside. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Well, I ended up not being able to do any more work after Spencer took his nap and kind of just hung out with him, and he's upstairs now. It's already completely dark out, and it's just really so cold outside that I don't even feel like doing work. Like, it's just so numbing. It's really, really cold. So I'm just gonna head over to BJ's. I gotta buy some stuff, do a grocery run, and then we'll have dinner. I've been coming to BJ's more often than going to Costco, just because it's a little bit more convenient for us. It's closer to my mom's house. So I'm just gonna pick up a few things. I need coffee, need milk, and we'll see what else we end up picking up. Rena really likes corn muffin. We'll see if these are any good. My mom wants to try chicken pot pie, so I'm gonna get a pack of this for her. See if it's good. And we got this Cheesecake Factory 4-flavor cheesecake set. That was really good last time, so we're gonna get this again. I'm making a quick stop over at Lowe's to pick up another piece of the quarter round. I didn't have enough to finish the job, so I can finish it tomorrow. So then after that, I'm gonna head back home. Well, I wasn't expecting to buy a microwave, but I saw this deal. $109, save $70 for a microwave. We need a microwave for our van, so this one is looks like a 3-in-1 type microwave with microwave, air fryer, and oven. True 3-in-1. I think this will be a good one to have, and I checked the measurement. It fits our little compartment for our microwave, so I'm gonna pick this up. It's a Black Friday deal. In our oven, we also have a 3-in-1 microwave, oven, air fryer combo, and it's been really good. We really like it. And even though we have an oven in our van using propane, it's always good to have like an extra oven and microwave or air fryer, just in case we're plugged into like shore power. We don't want to waste propane or anything. We can always just use this guy. It's good price too, $109. All right, let's get the quarter round and we're gonna head back home. Spencer, what are you watching? You're watching TV. That's very nice. And what's Mama doing? What's Mama doing? What's Mama doing? Mama knitting. And what's Archie doing? Archie is sleeping. Did he? Oh, you smell the best in the house? 粟米仔喎又。
一樣嘅。
你知道 Spencer 中意係咪？ Let's see what's for dinner tonight. Got baby corn and tofu, egg tofu. Yeah. 睇下煮咩咧？ We got some asparagus and beef. 係啊。
食得。
就係食得啦，係咪 ？OK。個煲係咩嚟㗎嗰啲？
呢個啊？
係。
豬手。
豬手啊 ？Pork knuckle。南魚，OK。蓮藕，南魚豬手。OK。
好啦，食得啦。
OK， 好食飯啦。
蘆筍。
Asparagus. Wow, look at the pork knuckle. 應該好腍㗎啦嚇。
係啊，炆。
Looks really tender. 炆咗幾耐？炆咗好耐。
炆咗個零鐘。
Over an hour of cooking with this.
加嚿冰糖落去咪快腍。
係咪？會嘅。
會㗎，
冰糖。
加一嚿仔。
Interesting。
好靚。
好靚好靚。OK， 好食飯。
食得。
Want baby corn? Baby corn, where's baby corn?
爸爸爸爸
你自己夾唔夾到啊？
豆豆。
你要呢個啊？OK, asparagus.
No
好啦，食飯。
This is asparagus. OK，食飯。Try。有冇太老啊？呢個 sound kind of crunchy.
係咪落啊？攞個嫩啲。
尖嗰啲俾
Stick another one.
係啊，嗱呢個嫩啲。
Try this one. 攞第二條啦，嘛。
攞個大條啦，係啊，呢個落。係啊。
Okay, let's put. No, don't put it back. Don't put it back, Spence. Let's put it on the side. Okay, Mira, this one's no good. You want this one? This one is better. Let's try this. How about which one? Okay, that one is good too.
OK，呢個都。
爸爸
Okay, you can get it. Which one? This one?
No
This one?
爸爸
佢係間白色嘅。
試下咯，唔緊要啦。Try. And what about baby corn for you? Baby corn? Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, if you want to eat it, you can have it. 哇，咁勁㗎！
哦，哇！哦，
咁犀利㗎！
咬下先，咬入啊！
我已經批過皮。
有冇俾埋埋個 like 㗎？Like。Uh-oh. It's okay. All right, 食飯啦。
好啦。
Okay, 好食飯。Let's try the Cheesecake Factory cheesecakes. We got 3 flavors with this. White chocolate raspberry truffle, regular cheesecake. No. Is it regular cheesecake? No, not regular. White chocolate raspberry truffle, chocolate mousse cheesecake, strawberry topped original cheesecake, and Snicker bar chunks and cheesecake.
Which one you want?
Which one you want, Smash?
Which one you want?
You want to pick?
Strawberry.
Strawberry? You like the strawberry one, yeah?
Eating
And cream, yeah. Look at these cheesecake right here. This is really good.
yummy
Okay. Yummy. You ready for some cheesecake? Yes.
Daddy baby
Strawberry and raspberry.
Daddy
There you go.
did you mama
Wow. Let's flip it on the side so you can. Let's flip it on the side.
side
Yeah, like that. Oh, look at the raspberry in this one. I will just finish his. Like that, Spence? Do you need a hammer? Just kidding. This is like ice cream, yeah? It's frozen.
boom 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 boom
Yeah.
Dada, dada, boom 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 boom
Boom, boom, boom. Do you need my help, Spence? Try Mama's. You like that one? That's raspberry.
How about this one?
Strawberry cheesecake. How is it, Spence?
Daddy
So, because Rena's got a dentist appointment on Monday, in 2 days, she's got to pull out a wisdom tooth. And the medication that she's going to use, she's not going to be allowed to feed Archie for 1 whole day. So today we're going to feed Archie using a bottle. Right, Archie? I should probably use a bib or something. But we can use a tissue. I think that's okay too. What do you think? This is your, well, you had a bottle when the nurses took you out the first day, but this is the, I guess the second time you're having your bottle. So here, here's a little milk. You want to try this? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Oh, you. Same expressions as Rena. Do you know how to use the bottle?
佢奶嘴
Oh, you're drinking it. Oh, very good.
係喎，識住碌啊！
Okay.
幾叻喎，識。
係啊，識住嘅。
我都係第一次睇佢啜奶嘴。
係啊，佢冇飲過㗎，
係咯
係咪飲過一次咯？啲護士餵咗一次，跟住之後就
係啊，
，oh, drinking really well.
幾叻喎嗬！第一
There's 2 ounce. Let's see if you finish this. Is it good, Archie? Like milk from a bottle? You're taking it really well. Good job.
睇下食唔食得晒先。
2盎少少啫呢度，
你眼望望，
係。
啜晒。
Eating so good? Yummy, isn't it? 再嚟少少，仲有少少。
咁叻嘅，
Doing really good.
咁快就啜晒啦。
A little bit more? Just a little bit more. Here you go. You want a little bit more? Oh, very good. You finished the 2 ounces in about 7 minutes. Yummy, isn't it? All done.
幾叻喎！
All done. Let's get a little burpee, okay? Let's get a little burpee. Nyan yang. 哦，
啜咗啦。
哎呦，露翻出嚟，有呢度得。All done. You want a little bit more? 冇啦，一陣間媽媽落嚟再俾你啦。All done. Hi, Archie. Archie just had a little milk. Okay, I'll be there soon, okay? Good job, Archie. Good job, Archie. We'll finish off with Mama's milk when she's done taking a shower. Okay? Yeah, I know you want a little bit more. Okay, we'll have some more later. So in a way, Rena is a little bit upset that he drank so well, because she's afraid that Archie won't drink from her anymore. He's like, yeah, he knows how to drink now, so that's all we need. And he's not gonna let him drink from the bottle anymore, because she wants to feed him. Right, Archie? Mama's like, no more bottle for you, you know how to drink. It's just a situational time that you have to drink from the bottle. Otherwise, it's just gonna be from Mama, right? Yeah, okay. All right, Mama's almost done. You can get a little bit more milk when Mama's done. Well, that is it for today's video. I still need to edit the video from 2 days ago, the Thanksgiving one. That's gonna be an awesome one. I mean, you guys probably already seen it if you're watching this one, but I still gotta finish it. So tomorrow I'm gonna finish with flooring. I got the extra quarter round, so I'm gonna finish with that. And if it doesn't rain, if it rains, then I'm gonna do some stuff inside, like just finishing the handles and magnets. There's like a million different things to do inside the van. So if you guys want to keep following our DIY Sprinter van build and our family of 4 soon to be back in the van, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new videos come out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so they can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye.